बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 17 मार्च 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है सियालकोट इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट लिमिटेड। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस। सियालकोट इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पोस्ट General Manager Administration and Security. Qualification and experience: Master's degree / MBA या LLB from an HEC recognized institute / university or retired from the armed forces at the rank equal to colonel or a retired government servant in BPS 19. Overall, 15 to 20 years of experience is required, particularly in assisting management with administrative, security and surveillance matters. The position involves overseeing day-to-day administration matters, including administrative support for event management, horticulture, housekeeping, transportation and coordination with ASF for airport passes for directors, staff and delegation / visitors. Additionally, the role requires maintaining close liaison with government departments such as GEPCO, WAPDA, WASA, SNGPL, PTCL, Nadra district and Tehsil administration, etc. and handling land acquisition matters. Age should not be more than 57 years. दूसरी पोस्ट है पब्लिक रिलेशंस मैनेजर। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस: बैचलर्स डिग्री इन पब्लिक रिलेशंस, मास कम्युनिकेशंस, marketing or a related field from an HEC recognized institute / university. Preference will be given to those with a master's degree. Overall, 8 to 10 years of comprehensive experience in managing electronic and print media at local, national and international levels. Responsibilities include responding to media inquiries, drafting press releases and issuing advisories to announce significant events and initiatives aimed at maintaining a positive public image, developing crisis communication plans, serving as the official spokesperson during emergencies and ensuring the provision of accurate and timely information to the public and media. Ability to initiate community engagement programs and develop a social media strategy to effectively communicate with all stakeholders, both external and internal. The candidate should be able to contribute to publicity and marketing efforts by creating campaigns and materials for positive media coverage. Age should not be more than 45 years. असिस्टेंट मैनेजर मेडिकल सर्विसेज की पोस्ट है। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस: MBBS रजिस्टर्ड विद द पाकिस्तान मेडिकल एंड डेंटल काउंसिल. ओवरऑल 3 to 5 years working experience as a medical officer in reputed organizations / institutes / hospitals. Age should not be more than 40 years. Assistant project manager. Qualification and experience: BSc Civil Engineering, registered with the Pakistan Engineering Council PEC. Minimum 6 years of relevant experience in buildings construction, rigid and flexible pavements and maintenance. Preference will be given to candidates having work experience in airport / aviation projects. Must be proficient in computer skills. Age should not be more than 40 years. एप्रन मैनेजमेंट ऑफिसर. एप्रन मैनेजमेंट ऑफिसर की क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस: बैचलर्स डिग्री, प्रीफरेबली BSc एविएशन मैनेजमेंट फ्रॉम एन HEC recognized institute / university. Overall, 3 to 5 years of prior experience in apron management. Proficiency in ICAO rules and regulation. Must possess knowledge of aviation regulations, safety standards and apron operational procedures. Preference will be given to candidates who have airside experience and relevant certifications. Age should not be more than 45 years. Staff officer SO qualification and experience: minimum bachelor's degree from an HSC recognized institute/university. Overall 3 to 5 years of relevant experience. Must have good spoken and written English skills and good computer skills. Age should not be more than 25 years. Medical assistant qualification and experience: BS nursing या 3 years diploma in nursing recognized by Pakistan Nursing Council with 1 year relevant experience, or FSC with dispenser diploma recognized by Punjab Medical Faculty with 2 years relevant experience. Age should not be more than 35 years. Auto mechanic qualification and experience: metric with 5 years of experience, and DAE auto and diesel with 2 years of experience in heavy duty vehicles as an auto mechanic. Age should not be more than 45 years. Ramp driver/TGS operator qualification and experience: middle, preferably metric. Must hold a valid PSV/HTV license with 5 years of relevant experience. Preference will be given to candidates having experience in airline/ground handling agency in airport operations. Age should not be more than 45 years. Marshaller qualification and experience: metric, preferably intermediate with relevant marshalling experience of 5 years at any airport, or retired from Pakistan Air Force PAF. Preference will be given to the candidates who have attended marshalling course from Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority. Age should not be more than 50 years. We offer a market competitive salary along with other fringe benefits including provident fund, leave encashment, annual bonus, health insurance and group life insurance etc. To apply online, please visit our career page at www.sial.com.pk. www.sial.com.pk. Applications must be submitted through our online job portal. Only shortlisted candidates who meet the criteria will be contacted for an interview. The deadline for applications is March 31st, 2024. Address: Sialkot International Airport Limited, Airport Road, Sambrial, Sialkot. PABX नंबर है +92526633000124. 1 से लेकर 4 तक है, मतलब कि 1 की जगह 2 भी, 3 भी, 4 भी. +92 PABX नंबर है, ये मतलब कि PTCL नंबर है. +925266330001 से लेकर 4 तक. UN नंबर है +925211174255. +925211174255. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.